Welcome to my channel Nano Learning Made Easy. In today's session, I am going to explain about defect lifecycle or bug lifecycle in software testing process, part of manual testing tutorials. Let's get started. By end of this video, one can get a complete understanding on what is defect lifecycle or bug lifecycle in software testing process, also what is defect status and its all possible states in the complete life cycle. Let us start with what is defect life cycle in software testing. It is a journey or life cycle which a defect goes through during its lifetime, covering different states. This begins if a tester identifies some new defect, and the cycle ends once a tester closes the defect so that it is fixed and won't be reproducible again. It is also known as bug life cycle. What is defect status? It is the current status in which a defect is undergoing. The goal is to clearly convey the present state or the progress of a defect for better tracking, also to determine or understand the actual defect cycle process. Number of states a defect moves through varies from project to project. In today's session, I am going to cover all possible states of defect lifecycle with the help of a flow diagram as follows. Is the defect lifecycle and its various states. It starts with new, assigned, open, then it may change to duplicate, not a bug, deferred or rejected status, or if it is fixed, then it will be moved to retest status, then reopened, then it will be moved to verified and closed. Let us try to understand different states of defect lifecycle process. The first state being new. When a new defect is reported for the first time, it is assigned a status called as new. Assigned. The QA lead approves the reported defect and assigns it to development team in assigned status. Open. When assigned developer starts working on the defect by analyzing it, it will be moved to open status. Fixed. Developer makes required code changes, verifies them, and changes the defect to fixed status. Retest. Tester retests the code to see whether the defect is fixed by the developer and changes it to retest status. Verified. Tester retests the fix after it is fixed by the developer and changes it to verified if no defect was found in the software. Reopen. If a defect is still reproducible even after it is fixed by the developer, he then changes the status to reopened. Then it goes to the complete life cycle. Closed. Tester changes the status to closed if the fixed defect is no longer reproducible. Duplicate. If a similar defect is reported by the tester for the second time, the status is changed to duplicate. Rejected. If the reported defect is not valid once as per the developer, then it will be moved to rejected status. Deferred. If the reported defect is not of high priority and is expected to get fixed during its next release, then the status is changed to deferred status. Not a bug. When there is no effect on the application functionality, it is changed to not a bug status. That's it in today's session. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel.